Well, of course, it is spring now. I know many of you might be thinking about spring cleaning, maybe your closets, maybe scrubbing those baseboards. Man, I hate that job. But what if we also took a little time to do a little spring cleaning on our minds? Leadership expert, trainer, public speaker Pete Blank joins us now with some of that, some tips on clearing out our minds. Good to have you with us.
I see what you're talking about there.
Well, I
Spring
see where
cleaning
you're
up
going
there.
there. Yeah, well, I don't like doing baseboards, so maybe this is more along my line.
You know, I was looking at this week, and I always look in my closet in the spring, and I'm like, some of this stuff has to go.
Right.
You know, just the T-shirts and things like that. And then I started thinking, well, what about the mental clutter that we have in our minds?
Okay.
You know, do you ever think about all the stuff that your brain takes in so much stuff every single day? And there's stuff out there, could be bad feelings, could be fear, could be regret, could be a lot of junk. Think about in spring, don't just clean out all your physical stuff. What's all the bad stuff you got going through your mind? All those bad thoughts, clean them out.
Yeah,
Say, I'm just going to get rid of these.
Disappointments, regrets in life.
Right.
So how do you change the thinking?
Well, you just got to go. It's typical self-talk. You just have to tell yourself that, listen, these bad thoughts that are in my head, I'm going to plant positive thoughts. So again, to continue with that metaphor, in spring we're planting things. Let's plant some positive thoughts. Let's get some thoughts. Here's what I can accomplish this spring. Here's a new thing that I want to create, a new project or a relationship I want to bring back, or something like me, like you and I used to go to lunch all the time. We don't go to lunch very often, so I'm going to plant this new thing. You and I need to go to lunch. And
I agree with that.
That out.
As long as you get the check.
I'm paying.
But that is important because I'm guilty of it. Sometimes I'm negative self-talking. We got to get away from that part of it.
Yeah, absolutely.
And part of that is kind of getting recentered.
Yeah,
on what really matters. The simple things.
We're way away from New Year's resolutions. We're way away from goals. People have already committed to them or forgot about them. So let's use spring to say, hey, let's reprioritize. What goals did I not accomplish? Do I want to just put them aside and start something new? Maybe I want to create a new reading nook in my house. Maybe I want to get a new book that I want to get. So it's just about reprioritization. Just like you're planting new flowers and planting new things, we're reprioritizing what we're trying to accomplish.
All right, I'm motivated already. Spring cleaning out. I'm going to start with the mental clutter. I'm going to
get it out of there, buddy. Stop
there.
thinking bad thoughts about me.
No, it's not that. It's like the old SNL skit, Stuart Smalley.
Oh, you're good enough. You're good enough.
I'm smart enough.
And by golly,
doggone it, people like
you, Mike.
Well, people like you, people.
Thanks, buddy.
Thank you very much.
All right,
Blank
man.
Motivation Monday.
Coming in there.
That. That's
coming
right.
in hot.
All right. We're going to be going to the kitchen next.